How to become a master at manifestation.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I am excited to share this information with you today. It's so simple and yet so absolutely incredibly effective, because what it's going to do, if you follow it, if you stick with it, it's going to take you from where you're at today. And a year from now, you are going to be 50, 70, 100,000 times more powerful and more effective than you are today at manifesting whatever you desire, using the power of the universe, the power of your mind, and the power of the law of attraction. Absolutely astonishing. Now, I'm going to use an old kind of an example for you, and some of you know it, but just stick with me. And here it is. I have two offers for you. Offer number one is a check, certified bank check for $1 million. And I'll hand it to you. You can do whatever you want with it. The other envelope includes a penny, and you will receive double the amount every day for 31 days, for one full month. So, as an example, today you receive a penny. Tomorrow you receive 2 pennies. The next day you receive 4 pennies. The next day you will receive 8 pennies. The next day you will receive 16 pennies, okay? Do you want the check, certified bank check, for $1 million? Or do you want the penny doubling itself, as I just explained? Your amount, whatever you have. You start off with a penny. Whatever you have, it doubles itself the next day, but only for 31 days. What would you prefer? Most people who have not heard this example before, who've not been exposed to it, automatically say, well, that's stupid. I'll take the $1 million. It's a sure thing. It's guaranteed. I can drop it into my bank account. I can take cash out the next moment. I like that security. I like that guarantee. But had you take the penny and doubled it every day for 31 days. So in other words, day 1 you have a penny, day 2 you have 2 pennies, the next day you have 4 pennies, 8 pennies, and so on. Had you taken that offer, at the end of 31 days, you would have $10,737,418.24. Exponential growth. This is what Einstein called the 8th wonder of the world, compound interest. Astonishing. So you could have ended up with 1 million, or you could have ended up with 10 million. But you see, most people want the 1 million in life because it's safe, it's secure, there's no risk involved. They don't want to put themselves out on the line. But if you are willing to invest in yourself just a little bit each day, just like the pennies, if you're willing to invest in yourself in exponential growth, you will see absolute astonishing miracles in your life like you have never seen before. In my own personal journey, before I was flying high like a big, beautiful eagle, I was crawling on the ground. And one day, at my lowest ebb, I said, I have to improve my thinking. I have to improve my energy. I have to improve my vitality. I have to improve what I am attracting and how effectively I attract. So I went into a drugstore, and there was a little gold book, the kind that would fit in your back pocket. And I said, well, it's gold. It's only like $1. And remember, I was at my lowest ebb at this point. And I bought that book, and I went home. And I don't even want to begin to tell you where home was at. It wasn't good. And I began to fill out that book with affirmations, powerful beliefs. I challenged old beliefs, and then I would create an affirmation. I challenged limitations, and then I would create an affirmation. I didn't even have a car at that point. So when I would walk to the bus stop, I would open up my gold book at random because it was filled with affirmations. And whatever page I opened to, I would read that affirmation over and over again on my walk to the bus stop. Then I would get in the bus and open to another page, and I would begin to recite that affirmation during the entire bus trip. Exponential growth. It's not just about money. It's about you. Are you willing to make a micro? I'm not asking you to quit your job and, sell your home and open up a new business or something like that. I'm asking you to just make a micro shift, a micro improvement, compound interest on you of only, listen to this now, of only 0.5% to 1%, maybe 1.5%. But just think, a small 0.5% improvement every day in first and foremost your beliefs, in second your habits, your actions, and your passion. Those 4 areas. Beliefs. Because if you have a limiting belief, a doubt, a negative belief about who you are, your personal power, what you can accomplish, what you can do in your life today, right now, then all I'm asking you to do is shift that belief only 0.5%, just 0.5%, maybe 1%. Make it more positive, more optimistic. Shift your habits. So if you have a bad habit and you like to sleep in all morning long, get up just a little bit earlier and make it a little bit earlier each day until you're up before the sun rises. It's the same thing with your actions. If your actions are that of procrastination, putting things off, I can do it tomorrow, that's not a positive action. That's not a positive way to live. These are actions that will lead you down the wrong path. You are taking money out of your law of attraction bank account, so to speak. So make your words match your actions. If you say you're going to do something, do it and take action. And I'm not asking you to take, Tony Robbins talks about take massive action. Well, sometimes massive action can take you off a cliff. All I'm asking you to do is take a micro action, a little bit more action each day. So maybe today you're going to walk around the block. Tomorrow you're going to walk around the block twice. The next day you're going to ride for 5 miles. The next day you're going to join the gym and you're going to work out and you're going to continue to increase and improve. And at the end of the year, your law of attraction action, your ability to manifest whatever you desire will be increased by 50 to 100,000 times. It's amazing. If you are not growing, if you are not saying every day I'm going to improve by 0.5%, by 1%, by 1.5%, I'm going to improve every single day. If you are not growing, you are dying. You are dying to your dreams. You are dying to your goals. You are dying to your destiny. Commit to micro shifting. And in 1 year, in less than a year, in 2 weeks, you will double your power. In 2 weeks, you will double your manifestation abilities. Wow. Amazing. Astonishing. You are a high flyer. High flyers, listen to me. Just 0.5% to 1% a day is going to change your entire world. It's going to rock your world. And I mean that. But you have to start now. Get your calendar out and put a big X on whatever day you are listening to this. And each day put an X that you are consciously working to improve yourself by just 1%, 0.5%, a micro amount. Imagine whatever abilities you have or don't have to manifest whatever you desire, whatever abilities you have, imagine it 50,000 times stronger. Imagine it 60,000 times stronger, 70,000 times stronger, 100,000 times stronger. Oh, incredible. You're not even going to be in the same planet a year from now. And you see this all the time when people really make the shift, a personal destiny shift, then all of a sudden everything begins to change. And it doesn't change like, bam. The Damascus experience happens for a few, but for most people, the shift is that little percentage every day working to improve. This is how you become a master manifestor. This is how you become a master of manifesting anything you desire, because you're a high flyer. You're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and you deserve the money you desire, the health you absolutely need, and the love that you crave. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for subscribing to us on iTunes, YouTube, Stitcher, all over the net. We appreciate it. Thanks for sharing this podcast with others around the internet, because we want to reach as many people with an uplifting, positive, empowering message each and every day. Thank you. And again, have a great day now, because you deserve it. Bye-bye.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.